Hi, I'm Jeff, and from time to time we get questions on our paper punches. Questions like, my punch doesn't work as well as it used to. Can it be fixed? Can it be sharpened? Well, the answer is yes. Your dull paper punch can be made new again with a punch head replacement kit. Let me show you how. First, unlock the punch handle. Then, pull the pin guards away from the punch heads and remove. Next, remove the chip tray. Squeeze the base of the punch disc with a pair of pliers and push the disc up to disengage it. Turn the punch over and remove the disc. Loosen the punch pin screw and the worn-out punch pin will drop from the punch pin socket. Remove the punch pin after it falls. Turn the punch over and insert the new punch head. Make sure it goes all the way in. Then tighten the punch pin screw to secure the punch head. Replace the other punch head, and last but not least, insert the replacement punch discs into the punch pin socket. Reattach the chip tray, slide punch guards into place, and there you have it. Your paper punch is just like new. No more dull punch heads. At Swingline, we build products to last. Let us know if you have any other questions, and we'll be happy to answer them.